Welcome to Applewood Village in Calgary. Find comfort and relaxation with Applewood Village. Located in Calgary's desirable community of Marlborough, enjoy weekends exploring all that life has to offer. Conveniently close to parks, shopping, restaurants, schools, and other amenities, life with Applewood Village is waiting for you. Suite and building. 1 and 2 bedroom upgraded and deluxe suites. Spacious living rooms. Suites come with appliances such as a stove and fridge. Dishwasher available. In-suite storage. Balcony with outdoor space. Heat and water included. Outdoor parking $40 per stall. Neighborhood. Quick access to parks and trails. Short drive to Trans-Canada Highway and other major roadways. Easy access to public transit and pedestrian friendly. Short distance to Cobb's Adventure Park and Elliston Park. Nearby fitness and recreation facilities. Close to Marlborough Mall. Imagine home. It's your safe and comfortable place to create unforgettable moments. Move in today. And when you do, there's always someone looking out for you, supporting you along the way.